Greetings, and welcome to the About My Brain Institute podcast, exploring the inspiring realm of the spirit animals' oracle cards. In this episode, join us as we delve into the fascinating world of the swan spirit animal, renowned for purity, inner beauty, and transformation. Part 1. Discovering the Swan Spirit. In the serene waters of lakes and rivers, the swan emerges as a symbol of profound significance, embodying essential qualities of transformation, purity, and inner beauty. With its elegant and graceful demeanor, the swan becomes a bearer of spiritual medicine, guiding us on a transformative journey of seeking inner peace, embracing personal growth, and navigating life's transitions with grace while remaining firmly connected to one's true essence. At the heart of the swan symbolism lies the essence of transformation. From a humble cygnet to a majestic adult, the swan undergoes a metamorphosis that symbolizes the beauty of growth and change. The spiritual medicine of the swan encourages us to embrace transformation in our lives, to release what no longer serves us, and to emerge as our true, authentic selves. By embodying the swan's transformative spirit, we can let go of limiting beliefs, embrace our inner potential, and step into the fullness of our being. Beyond transformation, the swan epitomizes purity. With its snowy white plumage and graceful movements, the swan exudes an air of purity and innocence. The spiritual energy of the swan inspires us to seek purity within ourselves, to let go of negativity and discord, and to cultivate a heart and mind that are clear and pristine. By embracing the swan's purity, we can foster a sense of inner clarity, compassion, and love, radiating positivity to the world around us. Part 2. Qualities of the swan spirit. The swan possesses a captivating array of qualities that have earned it a place of admiration and reverence in cultures worldwide. Its elegant and graceful appearance, with a long, arched neck and pristine white feathers, exudes a sense of purity and beauty. The swan's movements, both on land and water, are characterized by effortless gliding and serenity, embodying a sense of calmness and poise. This majestic bird symbolizes love and devotion, as it is often associated with the idea of a lifelong bond between mates, represented by its strong monogamous relationships. Additionally, the swan is known for its protective nature, fiercely guarding its offspring and nest, demonstrating a deep sense of care and responsibility. The swan's qualities extend beyond its physical attributes, representing transformation and inner beauty as it matures from an awkward cygnet to a magnificent adult. Overall, the swan's qualities of grace, love, devotion, and transformation have made it a powerful symbol in art, literature, and mythology, resonating with the human spirit and inspiring a sense of wonder and awe. Part 3. Cultural and mythological significance of the swan spirit. The swan is a revered figure with deep cultural and mythological roots across different civilizations. In Greek mythology, it is linked with Apollo and symbolizes beauty, music, and poetry, with legends like the swan's final song and the tale of Leda adding layers to its significance. Meanwhile, in Hindu tales, swans represent knowledge and wisdom, with the goddess Saraswati, emblematic of creativity and the arts, often portrayed alongside this majestic bird. Similarly, in Chinese traditions, the swan stands for grace, purity, beauty, and enduring love, epitomized by the imagery of a pair of swans symbolizing marital harmony. In Celtic lore, swans take on a mystical aspect, believed to have the ability to shapeshift and symbolizing transformation and spiritual rebirth. The story of the children of Lear, where 4 siblings endure a curse that turns them into swans for centuries, underscores themes of sacrifice, resilience, and rejuvenation. These tales emphasize the swan's capacity to evolve and its ties to profound spiritual changes. Religious narratives also feature the swan prominently. Within Christianity, it embodies grace and salvation, while in Buddhism, the bird is a symbol of purity and the journey toward enlightenment. Across the ages, the consistent appearance of the swan in folklore, religious texts, art, and literature underscores its enduring appeal and its role as a powerful symbol of beauty, transformation, love, and wisdom. Part 4. A swan in my dreams. Dreaming of a swan can carry various nuanced meanings and insights that delve into different aspects of your life. The appearance of a swan in your dream often symbolizes qualities of grace, elegance, and uniqueness. Just as the swan's striking white plumage stands out in its environment, the dream may be highlighting your own distinct qualities and abilities that make you stand out among others. It could be a reminder to embrace and celebrate your individuality, allowing yourself to shine and express your true self without fear or hesitation. Moreover, the swan's graceful movements and calm demeanor can represent the need for approaching situations in your waking life with serenity and poise. It may suggest the importance of navigating through challenges with grace and dignity, finding a sense of calmness, even in turbulent times. The swan's monogamous nature in the dream may symbolize loyalty and devotion in relationships. It could be a sign that you value deep and meaningful connections with others, and seek to maintain a sense of commitment and fidelity in your personal or professional relationships. The white color of the swan, often associated with purity and innocence, may imply a desire for purity of intention and a longing for a clean slate in certain areas of your life. The dream could be urging you to let go of any emotional baggage or negative experiences, embracing a sense of purity and renewal. Additionally, the swan's association with water may hold further significance, as water often symbolizes emotions and the subconscious mind. The dream may encourage you to explore your emotions more deeply, embracing your feelings with openness and acceptance. Consider the specific emotions and experiences in the dream to gain a deeper understanding of the message the swan is conveying to you on a subconscious level. Embrace the qualities and symbolism of the swan as a source of inspiration, guiding you to embrace your uniqueness, find balance in your life, express yourself with elegance, and approach challenges with grace and serenity. Let the spirit of the swan in your dream empower you to navigate life's journey with confidence, authenticity, and a touch of timeless elegance. Part 5. Habitat, Behaviors, and Ecological Importance of the Swan. Habitat. The habitat of the swan primarily consists of freshwater environments such as lakes, ponds, rivers, and marshes. These serene and calm waters provide an ideal setting for the swan's graceful movements and elegant demeanor. Swans are found in various regions across the world, including Europe, Asia, North America, and parts of Africa. They prefer areas with abundant aquatic vegetation, which serves as a food source and nesting material. The swan's nesting sites are often located on small islands or secluded shores, providing them with a safe and undisturbed environment for raising their young. Their preference for quiet and secluded waters ensures they have sufficient space to display their impressive courtship rituals and engage in social interactions with other swans. The tranquil and picturesque nature of their habitat complements the swan's ethereal beauty, creating a harmonious and enchanting environment for these majestic birds. Behaviors. Graceful swimming. One of the most distinctive behaviors of the swan is its graceful and elegant swimming. With its long, arched neck and smooth gliding movements, the swan effortlessly glides across the water, creating a mesmerizing sight that exudes tranquility and poise. Monogamous bonding. Swans are known for their strong and lifelong pair bonds. They form monogamous relationships with their mates, and once they find a partner, they remain committed to each other for life. This devotion and loyalty in their relationships are symbolic of love and fidelity. Nest building. Swans exhibit intricate nest building behaviors, constructing nests in secluded and safe locations near water bodies. They use a combination of materials like reeds, grass, and feathers to create cozy and well-protected nests for their eggs. Vocalizations. Swans are not known for their singing abilities like other birds, but they communicate using a range of vocalizations. Their calls include soft whistles, honks, and hisses, which are used for various purposes such as expressing agitation, warning of danger, or communicating with their mate and offspring. Aggressive defense. While swans are typically peaceful, they can exhibit aggressive behaviors when defending their nests or territory. During the breeding season, swans become more protective and may display territorial aggression towards perceived threats, hissing or flapping their wings to deter intruders. Their protective nature is a testament to their commitment to safeguarding their offspring and nesting sites. Ecological importance. The swan holds ecological importance within its habitat, particularly in freshwater ecosystems. As a herbivorous species, swans primarily feed on aquatic vegetation, including algae and submerged plants. Their foraging behavior helps to regulate the growth of aquatic plants, preventing overgrowth and maintaining the balance of the ecosystem. By consuming large quantities of underwater vegetation, swans contribute to nutrient cycling in the water, influencing water quality and supporting the overall health of the ecosystem. Additionally, swans play a role in seed dispersal, as some seeds from the plants they consume pass through their digestive system and are dispersed in different areas, aiding in the propagation of plant species. As a keystone species in their habitat, swans impact the abundance and distribution of other organisms, making them crucial contributors to the ecological equilibrium of freshwater environments. Part 6. How the swan contributes to scientific research. As a migratory bird, swans have been integral to research on avian migration patterns, navigation mechanisms, and the physiological demands of long-distance flight. Their monogamous pairing, often lasting for life, offers a compelling study in animal behavior, partner selection, and reproductive strategies. The health and behaviors of these populations offer a magnified mirror to the broader environmental landscape, flagging potential perturbations. Whether it's the insidious creep of pollution, the emergence of disease outbreaks, or other ecological shifts, swans act as crucial early detectors, alerting scientists to pressing environmental challenges and facilitating timely interventions. Part 7. Guided visualization to connect with the swan spirit. Close your eyes and find a comfortable and quiet space where you can immerse yourself in this guided visualization. Take a few deep breaths, inhaling positivity and exhaling any tension or stress. As you continue to breathe deeply, imagine yourself standing at the edge of a serene and shimmering lake. The water is calm and reflective, mirroring the beauty of the surrounding nature. As you gaze across the lake, you notice a magnificent swan gracefully gliding across the water's surface. Its pristine white feathers and elegant movements captivate your attention. With a sense of awe and reverence, you decide to approach the swan. As you draw closer, you feel a warm and comforting energy emanating from the swan, inviting you to connect with its spirit. Gently, you extend your hand towards the swan, and it meets your touch with a soft and welcoming response. As you make this connection, you feel a profound sense of peace and tranquility enveloping you, as if the swan's spirit is imparting its grace and serenity onto you. In this moment, you and the swan become one, sharing a deep understanding and appreciation for the beauty and harmony of nature. You sense a connection to the swan's innate sense of elegance and poise, and you realize that these qualities also reside within you. Together with the swan, you begin to move gracefully across the water, feeling a sense of oneness with the surrounding environment. The gentle ripples created by your movements reflect the interconnectedness of all living beings and the intricate balance of life. As you continue to glide with the swan, you become aware of your own unique qualities and strengths, just as the swan carries its distinctive grace and beauty. You realize that embracing your true self and expressing your individuality is a source of empowerment and enlightenment. Take a moment to fully absorb the energy and wisdom of the swan spirit. Feel the serenity and elegance of the swan becoming a part of you, inspiring you to navigate through life's challenges with grace and calmness. When you are ready, gently open your eyes, knowing that you can always reconnect with the spirit of the swan whenever you need its guidance and inspiration. Thanks for tuning in. This podcast was brought to you by the About My Brain Institute. For all the freshest updates and exclusive content, make sure to subscribe to our newsletter and give us a follow on our social channels. Until next time, keep those neurons firing.